Alrighty, here I'm in my 2010 Chrysler 300C. I'm demonstrating how to activate interior lights. If you have a police vehicle, when you open the door, the interior lights don't come on unless you use the multifunction switch to turn them on. But you've got to do it manually. It won't do it when you open the door. You can also see when you spin the wheel all the way down, the lights will go completely black. Normally on civilian cars they go to the dimmest setting, but on a police vehicle, if you turn it all the way down, all the lights will turn off for surveillance mode. So here I have my program on my computer. It's called AppCar Diag FCA. It's a $50 program that lets you program multiple things with your vehicle. Right here I've got police lighting feature. If I unset that, run it, just run it, finish, back to modules. I believe the lights now come on when I open the door. Multifunction all the way down. And my lights, you can barely see it, but my lights are hardly on. Before it would go completely black. So the lights aren't on when I open the door. And that's how I programmed the lights to be on. The program AppCar is $50 from their website, and the cable that I'm using, it hooks from USB. Let's disconnect. It's a USB to OBD2 cable. I believe this one's from OBD Link SX. This was, I believe, $30 from Amazon.